In this video, we're going to be writing the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. And writing the equation of a line containing a point and is perpendicular to a given line, one, we want to write the given line in slope-intercept form and find the slope. Two, find the negative reciprocal of this number, and this is the slope of the new line. And three, use the given point and the slope to determine the equation of the new line. So in 1 we have L1 is perpendicular to the line L and passes through the point 6, -1. Find the equation of L1. And the given line L is already in slope-intercept form, so the slope of line L is 2. And we know that the slope of line L and the slope of L1, since they're perpendicular, need to multiply together to give us -1. So we can say that 2 times m of L1 is equal to -1. And now we're going to divide both sides by 2, and we get m of L1 is equal to -1/2. So the slope of the line we're looking for is -1/2. And now we're going to use point slope form to find the equation of the line. So we have y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And now we have y minus a -1 is equal to m, which is -1/2, times x minus x1, which is 6. And y minus y1 is y plus 1, and that's equal to -1/2 x. And -1/2 times -6 is +3. And now we're going to subtract 1 from both sides, and we get y is equal to -1/2 x plus 2. And now we want to check another point on line L1 and make sure that it satisfies the equation that we found. So I'm going to use the point 8, -2, which is right here. And I can say that -2 is equal to -1/2 times x, which was 8, plus 2. And now -2 is equal to -1/2 times 8 is -4 plus 2. And -4 plus 2 is -2. So we verified the equation that we found is correct. In 2, it says, write the slope-intercept form of the equations of the line meeting the given conditions. And in A, we have perpendicular to 3x plus y is equal to 7, containing the point 4, 3. So the first thing we want to do is write the given equation in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So we have y is equal to -3x plus 7. So the slope of the given line is -3. And when we multiply it by the slope of the line that we're looking for, it needs to equal -1. So if m is equal to -3, then -3 times the slope of the perpendicular line is equal to -1. And now we'll divide -3 from both sides, and we get the slope of the perpendicular line to the given line is equal to 1/3. And now we're going to use point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And now we have y minus 3 is equal to m, which is 1/3, times x minus 4. And then I'm going to have y minus 3 is equal to 1/3 x, and 1/3 times -4 is -4/3. And now we want to add 3 to both sides. So if we have -4/3 plus 3, we could write 3 as 9/3. So we could have y is equal to 1/3 x, and -4/3 plus 9/3 is 5/3. So we have plus 5/3. In B, we want to be perpendicular to the x-axis, and the x-axis is a horizontal line. So perpendicular to the x-axis, we would have a vertical line. And the equation of a vertical line is x is equal to a. And in this case, a is -5. So we have the equation x is equal to -5. And in C, we want to be perpendicular to x is equal to 8, containing the point 4, 3. And x is equal to 8 is a vertical line. If we want to be perpendicular to the vertical line, we have a horizontal line. And the equation of a horizontal line is y is equal to b, and b is equal to 3. So we have y is equal to 3. And that's all for this video on writing the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line.